What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Ryan from the PokeBowlers, and this is going to be the very first episode of the relaunch of Can You Beat Luis? All right, are you excited? What's going through your mind right now?
Excited, nervous.
Don't be nervous.
Just want to throw 12 good shots.
Hopefully I can get 8 good shots. So, for those of you who don't know, this series is going to be completely different than last time because there's going to be prizes that are involved, right? I know you know already. We're going to tell you guys on camera. If you win the match, you're going to receive a free ball spinner courtesy of DH Lab, a free branded t-shirt from EFX, and you're going to get a resurface and detox package with free grips for 1 bowling ball, courtesy of JB Bowling Supply.
3 big items right there.
If you shoot 300, anyone who shoots 300 in this series, they will get a $100 gift card from DH Lab, which is where you can get all the ball spinners and the chamois. You're going to get any bowling ball that you want from JB Bowling Supply, and a free semi-custom jersey, courtesy of EFX.
We're all trying.
If you want to be in this series, use the Google form down below. It'll be a great way to get signed up. Subscribe while you're here. We're going to do a 1-game match on lane 1 and 2, completely uncut, 1 take, and may the best person win. All right, so we just got done with a little bit longer than 5 minutes of warm-up. Ryan has elected to go first, so he's going to be on the left lane, and then we'll go 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. He said he wants ball in hand to throw a strike to beat me.
I got to have a chance.
Bowl well.
You as well. All right. Let's go. First shot, good shot, baby. First shot, good shot.
There we go. First shot. Pulled it.
I'll take it.
300 pot is still alive.
Starting off Brooklyn, baby.
Let's go.
No, the 300 pot's still alive. All right, so I'm going to start in the Evoke. I had a pretty good look with a few different balls, but Evoke was the one that looked probably the best.
I even got a year.
Dang.
Here we go.
Right?
So what happens if you bowl 300? Do you get anything?
Nothing. They were asking what happens if I bowl 300. Nothing. I get absolutely nothing. But we're tied after 1. And I really like this Evoke, man. I've been throwing this like crazy since I got it. And I'm pretty far left. They're actually hooking quite a bit here. Oh, I got that right.
Good. Oh, jumped on him.
Yeah, that lane's hooking, man. I also got it right.
Officially, Lewis's 300 pot is done for him.
Yep, I'm out. I'm out of the 300 pot.
Easy.
Who says I can't shoot spares?
Easy.
Who says I can't shoot spares?
Easy.
All right, so I'm in a little bit of a pickle now. But I got strike spare. I missed right on that shot, so I'm not too worried. Plus he went Brooklyn on his first shot. Looks like another Brooklyn.
Oh, yep.
All right, so the 300 pot is over, but we still got a chance. A spare and he takes the lead. Yeah, they're hooking like crazy.
we got a chance if I can make spares, boys. That's the big issue.
Ryan mentioned he was a little nervous, so I do not want to be shooting corner pins if I'm feeling the nerves a little bit. Let's see.
Thank God.
What nerves?
Thank God.
What nerves?
If I miss that spare, it's over already.
Right? All right. And guys, while you're here, subscribe to the PokeBowlers channels. Follow them on Instagram, everything. All the links will be down below. All right, so tie game through 2. That's a
Looks
good
better than my
shot.
first shot.
Oh,
Rough
Yep.
break.
That's disgusting.
Rough break.
New chamois will be here on Monday.
Let's keep it clean. Let's do what we can to keep it clean.
Well, they'll be in Connecticut on Monday. Then they got to
So
ship
if we
them to
keep
me.
it clean,
For the
he
spare?
has to.
Bang. All right, all
Two
clean,
spares, I'll
all
take it, I'll
clean.
take it. Let's go.
All right, I think the
I feel
big
like
thing
it
for
took
me
it
is
even
don't
more
miss
than what it
right.
was during warm-up.
Break it down a little bit.
Dang. Disgusting.
Man, I like that ball, man.
That's disgusting.
I like that ball. Evoke Hysteria's done pretty good since it's been released. I just can't miss right, because if I miss right, it hooks this much. And if you want to be featured in a match, like we said in the intro, make sure you use the Google Doc in the description, or just shoot me a message. All right, don't miss right here.
Ooh, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble.
All right, you better figure it out, man.
Oh,
He's on a heater.
I don't know
already.
about locked in. At any point, I can take 3 off the left.
He's on a heater already.
All right, but we're all clean so far. Oh, that's going to
it's
be
left
Brooklyn.
again. Oh man, I got to get it out there.
Yeah, if you get it left, there's no
Not coming.
there's no hold. Yeah.
All right, keep it clean and just try to throw a good shot next. Come on.
All right, Ryan needs a spare here bad.
Oh, I needed to hook a little bit. Oh no.
He got a chopper in the car,
no.
man. That was a spare ball. That was a spare ball.
Oh. All right. Reset.
All right,
Come on.
reset. Make a good shot.
One shot at a
And
time.
I
One
mean,
shot at a time.
guys, look. Obviously, I want to win every
One shot
single
at a
match,
time,
but I
yes.
want some people to beat me because I want to give away prizes to the community.
It's not getting there. I think it's all right.
All right, reset.
Making the same mistake every throw. Come on. Slow down. Slow down, Ryan. Slow down.
There we go.
Hey,
That's what your first shot needs to look
I need to
like.
get to that.
Yeah.
Let's take our time, reset. Come on.
Yeah, I think with Ryan, it's all nerves right now, guys, because when he gets the ball right, it looks really good.
Just gotta get it out there. Gotta take my time, get it out there.
Tuck it in a little bit, so just slow it down. Make sure you hit your target. That is nice. A little lucky sometimes. A little lucky.
That was fast. Holy crap, that was fast. Well, fast for me. But single pin, no big deal. That was really, really, really fast. All right, easy spare.
Keeping it clean, just keeping it clean.
That could have been 2A10 all day,
That would have helped me.
but it's home court advantage. You can't 2A10 as the home team. All right, no big deal. Just don't throw it so fast. I don't know why I got so fast though.
good. Oh, woo, woo, woo.
Man, I got to move right now, I think. All of a sudden, it stopped hooking.
All right,
I thought that was going to...
see if we can put up a
2,
fight,
8, 10?
guys. See if
All right,
I
we just
can
got to coast right now, boys.
put a little pressure on him.
We got 105 in the 9th and a strike in the 6th. Good
Looks better.
shot.
Come on.
Good shot.
All right.
I give you skin on
Put
that.
some pressure.
No, that's a good shot. All right, so through 6 frames, like I said, I got 109 in the 5th and a strike in the 6th. Let's see Ryan's score here. Ryan has 86 in the 5th and a strike. So about a 23 pin match right now with about halfway to go. Anything can happen. I don't particularly love my ball reaction right now. Good shot.
Hit there.
There we
First
go.
double. Put
Yeah.
some pressure. Put some
Honestly,
pressure.
I think Ryan has a better
Put
ball
some pressure.
reaction
See
than
if I
I
can-
have right now. I don't feel super confident about my ball reaction, and those last 2 shots that Ryan threw were pretty unbelievable.
Oh,
Wow.
that looked good. Too.
I committed, and they did not fall. I thought that was a really good shot. All things considered, I thought that was a pretty good shot. Let's run this down. All right. So Ryan just cut into the lead pretty substantially there. That's a tough, if we lose this match, we're gonna look at that shot in the 7th for sure. For sure, for sure, for sure. All right, just a little reset here. That's a good shot.
Bang. Bang.
Just kidding.
You
Hey,
see
that-
that on camera? He's bullying me.
Hey, that
He's bullying
7 pin. I said, if I lose this match, we're gonna look at the
One
7th
shot at a
frame.
time, guys. See if we can keep the pressure on him.
That's another high quality shot. Hey!
Give me some help. Give me some help. I'm just an old man from the
We
bay.
got a match. We got action. All right,
Good
so
old-fashioned try, baby.
Ryan has 86 in the 5th and a turkey. I have 149 in the 7th and a strike in the 8th.
Nice and slow. Let's take our time.
So we have a 3-pin match here, boys. 3-pin match. Hey!
We got a shot. We got a shot.
All right, we got a 3-pin match going into the 9th and 10th. I can punch out to win. I need a strike in the 9th, double 8 in the 10th to win my match. One shot at a time here.
Oh,
Wow. That was, that's tough. So no matter what I do, I cannot shut him out. In fact, he has a really big lead now. Oh, and I missed it.
Oh,
All right, so I can shoot 207. That's not good. Damn. All right, let's put a little bit of pressure. Because now we're at 177, we can shoot 207. I don't really want to start the series with a loss. But those are two high quality shots on the right lane. All right.
back. All right, there's the first one. There's the first one.
All right, so that's the first shot on the 10th. So that's 187. Yeah, he has like 230 out there. I'm gonna need a lot of help if I'm gonna win this match here, boys.
That's good. Dang, that's number two. That's number two.
Man. All right, all I can do is get them all here and hope that he doesn't mark. Because I'm pretty sure all he needs is a mark to beat me. I made some quality shots. That's really all I can ask for here. All right, 206. Damn.
All right.
All he needs is a mark. And that the 10 pin,
You made an interesting.
All right.
that
Not
10
good
pin
bowling
wasn't
match.
that good of a shot. The 7 pin was a
I think I
really
need
good
at
shot.
least a spare
All right, ball in hand.
for a strike.
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh damn! Oh
No, I don't know about
man.
that.
I don't even know what to do.
We need a spare here, boys.
Oh God! Either the biggest choke job or the greatest spare pickup on the channel. I hope. Let's see what we get, boys. Let's see if we get lucky. Overthought that shot.
Oh my
Gave it the good old-fashioned
God!
try. Gave me the Reggie choke real quick.
Ooh!
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh,
Hey, he needed a mark to win.
didn't get it.
Final score 206 to 200.
Oh,
Wow.
we gave it the good old-fashioned try.
I wanna say that I would give you prizes anyway, but that's not the way it works.
Close is only good in was it hand grenades and
Horseshoes and hand grenades. That's it. No, that was a great match. I thought
Oh,
that 7
man.
pin, the 10 pin that I left that I missed was not a good shot. The 7 pin was a really good shot.
Nice.
But guys, that was a hell of a match. So final score 206 200. Make sure to follow them on Instagram,
Thanks.
YouTube.
Yes.
Where else? TikTok.
We are on TikTok, yeah.
OnlyFans.
No.
No,
not yet.
just kidding.
Soon.
We'll see you guys on the next one.
Yeah.
What a match, dude.
Yeah.